Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no internet issue on your Ethernet port in your computer. You can see I have the Ethernet connection but no internet issue is happening here. So let's check. You can see Ethernet, no internet here, no internet access. Now let's show you how to fix it issue. So we have to go on system here. It's for Windows 11 and Windows 10 will be same the thing. So we have to find out the troubleshoot here. Click on it. And we have to choose the other troubleshooters. Click on it. And select network and internet. Run it. Now they have a message that can't connect it to the internet with the manually assigned IP addresses. That means in this Wi-Fi or Ethernet, it shows the manual IP is detected. So we will fix that issue. Open network and internet settings here. You can see IP assignment is manual and DNS server assignment is manual. So we will choose this one. DNS server is the automated DHCP and let's save here. Okay, at first we had to select this one. Okay, now let's see our internet connection will be restored or what. Now you can see our internet connection is already restored. You can see the internet access is gained. I hope this video will help you. If this video will work, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.